Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app lets you save a payments method for faster purchases, including mobile food orders, lightning lane passes, merchandise mobile checkouts, and other eligible services. If a payment won't process, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to complete your purchase successfully. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to add a payments method and fix a payment that won't process in the Disneyland mobile app. Perfect for avoiding checkout problems during your Disneyland visit. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app, sign into your Disney account. Now you are ready to manage your payments information. So now open your payment settings. So inside the application, tap your profile or menu icon here at the right or bottom right corner. Open payments method or payment settings or payment section during checkout. Okay, and now you will be able to add or update your payment information. Okay, so add a payments method. To save a payments method, tap add payments method. Okay, enter your credit or debit card information, add the required billing details, okay, and save your payments method after that. Okay, so your payments method will be available for eligible purchases. Use your payments method. So when making a purchase, select your saved payments method during checkout, review your order summary, and tap purchase, pay, or place order. So the fix is, if your payment fails, try to the following, like verify your card number, expiration date, and security code are correct, confirm your billing address matches your bank's record, make sure your card hasn't expired, check that you have sufficient available funds or credit, switch to another saved payments method if available, close and reopen the Disneyland app before trying again. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.